Heat 4 tablespoons of oil and 1 tablespoon of ghee in a cooking vessel. Roast 500 grams of pongal mix for 2 minutes on a low flame. Add 3.25 liters of water to the roasted pongal mix and pressure cook on a medium flame for 6 whistles. Serve hot Little Millet Pongal with your desired chutney and vada.
The taste of millets for your healthier you. Nutrivise Xtreme
Little Millet Pongal Mix.
Join the millet evolution for the sustainable future. Order now in our website. Also available on Amazon, Flipkart, Meesho and Danzo.
Yeah.